Hi, I'm Shane, and I'm going to teach you the phase change graph and the problems that go with it. So first of all, you start off with ice, and then ice is heating until it gets to 0 degrees Celsius. At 0 degrees Celsius, ice starts melting. This is during a phase change. During a phase change, the temperature stays constant. From 0 to 100 degrees, water is slowly heating. At 100 degrees, the water starts vaporizing. While it's vaporizing, the temperature is constant, just like when ice is melting, because that is a phase change. Then as water is vaporizing until it gets to its boiling point, then it starts to steam. Now to the problems. Calculate the heat required in joules to convert 500 grams of ice at a temperature of negative 15 degrees Celsius to steam at 115 degrees Celsius. Okay, so first of all, you want to find out the heat required in joules to get this whole problem. So you want to go through each phase and use the equation for each phase to get the answer, and at the end add them all up. So the first phase from negative 15 to 0, that's when ice is heating. You want to use MC delta T. So MC delta T. That mass times the constant times how much the temperature has risen. So you take the mass, which is 500 grams, you times it by 2.09, which is the constant for specific heat of liquid when it's ice. So you do 500 times 2.09 times 15, which is how much the temperature risen from negative 15 to 0, and you get 15,675. Okay, so then you go to the second one. But during this is when ice is melting, so this is a phase change. During a phase change, the temperature stays constant, like the same. So you want to use the mass times the heat of fusion. So you take 500 times 334, which is the heat of fusion, and you get 167,000. So you have that. So then you go to the third phase. This is when water is warming up. So you take the grams. So for this one, you want to use MC delta T because it's not a phase change. So you take 500 times 4.184, which is the constant for specific heat of liquid when it's water. So you times that by 100, and you get 209,200. Okay, and then so you go to the fourth one. This is when water is actually vaporizing, and this is a phase change, just like when it's melting. So you want to take 500 grams times the heat of vaporization, which is 2,260, which is in the givens, and that equals 1,130,000. So you have that. So then you got 5, and then 5 is when the steam is heating. Okay, so you want to go to so you take 500 grams times 2.09, which is the specific heat of gas, and then you times that by 15 because that's when it's from 100 to 115, and you get 15,675. Then you take all these numbers and you add them up, and you get 1,537,550 joules. And yeah, that's how you do it.